Hi there, and welcome to week 3 of our course. I just wanted to remind you all that we have a 2-week break, but you can continue to work on your week 3 assignments. They just simply won't be due until January the 9th. You have a couple of assignments that you can review. You can probably see one of them here, and it's to write your own code of conduct if you had your own school that aligns to your school's vision and mission, or you can create a vision and mission for a fictitious school that you would like to create. Also, I wanted to talk just a little bit about the reading material that you have. The only major reading material in our textbook this week in Shaping School Culture is Chapter 8. And I thought it was really interesting. It talks about priests and priestesses and those people who are part of the school that create and shape the school culture, either for the good or for the bad. We've talked a little bit already, just the last week, about negative and toxic people. This does a little bit more of that, and it goes into depth about different terms that they use for the people who are what I call the negative Nellies. They use different terms, but they also talk about the heroes and the heroines of your school. And I am curious to know, and I'll ask you this throughout the discussion thread, who are those people for you at your school? Also, in one of the articles is called Tips for New Principals, Attaining Success, and it's by Chris Rowe. It's not a new article. In fact, it was published in 2013, and I do think that there are some pieces of new material that might be better equipped for our class, and I'm going to make that suggestion at the end of our course. But they do have some really nice suggestions about what to do when you become a school principal and some things that you might want to keep in mind. The number one thing that I would suggest that you really pay attention to is tip number 5, and that is value. It's valuing your staff members' time. I tell administrators all the time, if there is something that you could say in an email, say it in an email. Don't have a faculty meeting just to tell somebody something. Reserve those meeting times for professional learning opportunities. So I hope that this video announcement will reach you, and I hope it finds you well over the Christmas holidays. And I wish each and every one of you a very blessed and Merry Christmas. And if you celebrate another type of holiday during this time, please know that I wish you well during that time as well. Don't hesitate to ask me any questions. I will still be on during the block of time that we're off. But so definitely let me know if you have any questions, any topics that you want to talk about. I am happy to discuss whatever you would like. Take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.